What happens if you chew 2 cloves daily? Clove contains a large amount of plant alkaloids that can only be absorbed sublingually. This means the alkaloids are released when we chew the clove and can only be absorbed into the bloodstream through the small blood vessels located beneath our tongue. Well, these alkaloids have amazing health properties, which we will discuss in this video. So be sure to watch until the end, because there is one incredible benefit that will surprise you. In the first part of this video, we will explain how to chew cloves. To take full advantage of their properties, it's recommended to chew 2 cloves a day, one in the morning after breakfast and another in the afternoon after lunch. Chewing cloves stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, improving food digestion. It's advised to chew the clove for 20 to 30 minutes to release all the beneficial alkaloids. After chewing, it's preferable not to swallow the clove, as it contains high levels of various substances that can have side effects on the body. Now that we know how to properly chew cloves, we will discuss the benefits of chewing 2 cloves every day. Natural remedy for anxiety and stress. One of the main benefits of chewing cloves is that it's effective in combating mental illnesses like anxiety and stress. Indeed, cloves contain plant alkaloids with calming effects on the central nervous system. For this reason, it's not recommended to chew more than 2 cloves daily. Excessive consumption of cloves could overly depress our nervous system and produce symptoms like drowsiness or lassitude. Cloves promote the production of digestive enzymes. This has positive effects on the digestive system. It helps prevent excessive production of intestinal gases, reduces symptoms like stomach acidity, and prevents feelings of heaviness. Another property of chewed clove is its analgesic effects on the oral cavity. Indeed, cloves contain plant alkaloids with analgesic properties capable of relieving pain locally. They are very effective in treating pains like toothaches or pain caused by any ulcer or sore. It has even been shown that when suffering from pharyngitis, chewing cloves can alleviate sore throat pain. Before we further explore the following benefits of cloves, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate notifications to stay updated with our informative content. Lower cancer risk. Another advantage of chewing cloves is that in the long run, it can reduce the risk of developing cancer. Cloves contain a large amount of natural antioxidants capable of destroying free radicals. Free radicals are harmful substances produced by our body that can damage cellular DNA and increase the risk of developing cancer in the future. By chewing cloves every day, we can significantly reduce this cancer risk. It's essential to bear this in mind. Eliminate bad breath naturally. Another benefit of chewing cloves is that it can combat halitosis. For those who might not know, halitosis refers to bad breath from the mouth caused by a pathology. Whether it's an infection in the oral cavity, bad breath due to poor oral hygiene, or the consumption of certain medications or foods, chewing cloves daily will release the clove's natural aromatic substances, which will eliminate bad breath. Lower blood pressure naturally. A recent study has found that by chewing cloves daily, we can reduce blood pressure. The key ingredient is the essential oil found within the clove. This essential oil has a vasodilatory effect, meaning it will dilate our blood vessels, improve blood flow, and reduce blood pressure levels. If you suffer from a condition like hypertension, consider consuming 2 cloves daily, as it can help maintain more stable blood pressure levels. Alleviate coughing and throat inflammation. Lastly, another benefit of chewing cloves is that it can alleviate symptoms like coughing. If you are experiencing any respiratory cold or have issues like bronchitis, you should know that chewing cloves can be a natural remedy to relieve symptoms like coughing or throat inflammation. This is thanks to the anti-inflammatory alkaloids present in the clove, which act locally in the throat when chewed. Important contraindications. Can everyone chew cloves? This is a question that many people have. The answer is no. There are several contraindications when it comes to chewing cloves. Let's take a look at them. Potential side effects and risks. Firstly, individuals with liver problems should be cautious with cloves. When our liver isn't functioning properly, it won't be able to metabolize all the plant alkaloids found in cloves for elimination. This can lead to side effects like drowsiness, laceration, or headaches. In other words, the same effects one might experience from an overdose of cloves. Another group that should avoid chewing cloves are those with clotting disorders. Cloves contain high levels of eugenol, a substance with anticoagulant properties. If combined with blood-thinning medications, it could greatly increase the risk of hemorrhaging. Do not consume or chew cloves if you're taking medications like Centrum, warfarin, heparin, or aspirin. Also, individuals with recent surgical wounds should exercise special caution when consuming cloves. As previously mentioned, cloves delay blood clotting. If you have a fresh wound, it could slow down its healing process. Therefore, if you have a recent wound, it's recommended to wait 1 to 2 weeks before starting to consume or chew cloves. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have something to add, please share it with us in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and share the link with your family and best friends so they also know the health benefits of chewing 2 cloves every day. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out our next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.